Hey warrior, if you're here today, there's a good chance you're tired. Not lazy, not unmotivated, just tired of trying things that feel bigger, heavier, and more complicated than your actual life can hold. And I want to say this right up front. If you've tried side hustles, business ideas, or online income paths that didn't work, that doesn't mean you failed. It means the model didn't fit you. Today we're talking about simple services that pay, and more importantly, why so many capable women overlook them. Because this isn't just about money, it's about worth, it's about permission, and it's about designing income that supports your life instead of consuming it. Why simple services work? Let's start here, because this matters. We live in a culture that glorifies big launches, big audiences, complicated funnels, passive income promises, and what that creates is this quiet belief that if it's simple, it must not be valuable. But here's the truth most people don't say out loud. Simple services solve immediate problems. And people pay to solve their problems, not to admire the complexity. Some of the fastest income women can earn comes from organizing chaos, saving time, reducing stress, providing clarity, not from building an empire. If you've ever helped someone figure something out, calm down, get organized, or follow through, you've already done service-based work. The issue isn't ability, it's worthiness to charge. Common blocks that keep women stuck. Let's talk honestly about what stops women like Sophia from starting simple services. Number one, I don't feel qualified enough. Here's the reframe. You don't need to be the expert. You just need to be one step ahead and willing to help. Number two, it feels too easy to charge for. This is a big one. We've been taught that effort equals value, but ease doesn't mean useless. If it comes easily to you, that doesn't mean it lacks worth. It means you've built skill through lived experience. And number three, I don't want to sound salesy. That usually means you're unclear. Clarity feels helpful. Vagueness feels awkward. And when you can say clearly who you help and how, selling stops feeling like selling. Simple services that pay. Let's talk about what this actually looks like. Service that saves time. People will always pay to get time back. Examples: admin help, scheduling, inbox cleanup, organizing their digital files. If someone avoids it, they'll pay for it. You don't need to do everything, just pick one clear outcome. Package it simply, one problem, one solution. Services that reduce overwhelm. Overwhelm is expensive. Examples: decluttering, planning help, system setup, process cleanup. Your calm is valuable. Structure equals relief. Charge for clarity, not hours. And services that provide support. Support isn't weakness, it's strategy. Examples: accountability, check-ins, guidance, implementation help. You don't need to fix people. Consistency builds trust, and boundaries make support sustainable. How to talk about what you do. Here's where everything clicks. Instead of, oh, I'm kind of doing blank, try, I help with, so they can. Practice that. Say it out loud. Let it feel solid. Confidence comes from clarity, not volume. If this video helped you breathe a little easier, here's what I want you to do next. Inside my school community, I'm giving you a free PDF download called the Service-Based Side Hustle Starter Pack, access to my Service Offer Builder Kit Masterclass, where I walk you step by step through creating an offer you actually feel good selling, and a community of women doing this together without hustle culture pressure. You don't have to do this alone. Join us, grab the free starter pack, and let's turn clarity into income. And before you go, leave a comment and tell me, what simple service do you think you've been overlooking? I read every single one. You're not behind. You're just ready for simpler.